When you're 10 years old, a year is 10% of your life.
I'm 48. It's 1/48. It's almost insignificant in some ways.
Right. It's
That's
interesting.
a very interesting perspective.
It made me feel a little bit better about, okay, these years go quicker as I get older. Well, yeah, they're supposed to because it's a smaller percentage of your overall experience.
Exactly. Wow, but it's been such a fast year. It's been a good year. A lot of transformation, a lot of transition.
I would go the opposite. This has not been a good year for me.
Yeah,
This
you
has
you keep
been
saying that.
well, it's been the most confusing year of my recent life, meaning like
Mhm.
definitely in the last decade. This has been the most confusing year of my life in the last decade. It's been the most unsure, like I'm not standing on stable ground ever. It's been very exciting and very frustrating simultaneously, so kind of roller coaster of energy and emotions. It's been more important to me than other times because I do understand for myself. I'm putting myself in the next chapter of my life. Whatever we have worked on over the past few years, this last year is like, okay, the cement is hardening, and like this is what I'm going to carry with me for probably the next decade. Exploring is over, and now the hard work comes. And knowing that in the back of your mind, like, wow, these decisions that you make are really going to dictate how you live your life into your 50s. It's a good thing to do. It's not a good thing to feel.
I think it was all necessary, right? I think that was the thing. Like you just said, the exploration is done and the hard work now continues, but we build on the foundation that we have set up for ourselves. I feel like this year has been a big year of learning so many different things for me. When can say I come out of a year learning a lot more than I learned last year, that for me is how I kind of measure what a good year is. Is it something that what I'm taking away all of this stuff and there's so many possibilities and so many opportunities now in front of us. I like that the exploration is done in many ways because I feel like we are now laser focused on really two things. It's building the networking and speaking to more people in person, getting into more rooms, and then it's coaching as many of those people as up to our 28 that we keep saying we're headed for. And I think that's so laser focused. I think it's the most laser focused we've ever been, and I feel confident in what next year brings with that laser focus. But it's come out of tremendous exploration that we were able to get here. So I think this year has been a huge learning for me.